How to triple your booked calls using one simple Facebook ad retargeting strategy. Now, over the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can fix one of the most expensive leaks in your funnel, the warm leads who just stop short of booking, and how a structured retargeting system can actually bring them back to you automatically. And if you want my hot 7 ads targeting templates, drop the word hot below. I can send these over to you personally so that you can actually start re-engaging your leads without actually having to spend extra on your ads. Hi, I'm Tina from tinastanford.com. Now, we're finding most people come to us after their ads and funnels are failing right now. And we've been doing this for 2 years, taking what's already there for people and helping them to turn it into book calls and sales. And when the traffic is there, but the book calls aren't, this strategy is actually working every time. Now, I wanted to talk to you today about something that's actually frustratingly common. You're running ads, people are engaging, they're even opting in, they're watching your content, they're downloading your lead magnets and all that, but they're not booking in your calls. You're looking at Ads Manager, you can see all the things and you look at the numbers, but it just feels like they're disappearing. So what do most business owners do right now? Well, we're finding that they're tweaking the webinars, they're changing the copy on the sales page, they're trying a new call to action, or they start looking at their pricing and reducing prices right now. But here is the thing. Got to remember, if somebody's already engaged with you and just didn't take action, that is not a funnel issue. That's actually you not keeping in front of them. People aren't already at the same time, okay? So it's a follow-up issue. Now, most people do not buy the first time they see an ad or even the second time. Yeah, we know that studies are showing right now that it takes 7 hours of seeing you. It takes 11 touch points for the majority of people to take action. And generally, you've got to see somebody in 4 different places. At the moment, the same platforms, so it doesn't mean to say it has to be a platform. You could be in town with a business. They've got to at least walk past you, maybe see a leaflet or a billboard. Online is much easier and much cheaper though, okay? And we can track it. If your system, though, does not deliver on those follow-ups automatically, you're leaving money on the table, and that's sad. But this is where this hot 7 sequence actually comes in. And I'm going to do a simple breakdown, actually. You want to just be able to identify your warm leads, and these are the people who watch your videos, so you can look in Ads Manager. They've either visited your sales page, they've opened your emails, they've looked at your text messages, they've been to your Facebook page. You can track them all over the place now, okay? But they didn't book, okay? Step 2. All you need to do is set up a series of 7 retargeting ads, okay? We're using very specific templates for these, which bust beliefs, okay? But each one's actually tackling a different angle, okay? You've got case studies, you've got frequently asked questions, you've got social proof, you've got authority positioning, you've got direct calls to action, and there's lots of different angles you can use that we know works. Third thing is you just let it run automatically.